I learned creative thinking, and how to speak near others.
Okay. Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay, great. Yeah. Then who else is there? Aravir, are you there? Okay, Mridul, what is your learning out of these classes? Yes, yes. Tell me, Mridul. What you have learned in this class, in this class, especially young skill in the class?
Speak in public. English.
Okay. Bharat, are you there? Bharat? Okay. So what was your learning, man, in this class? What exactly you have learned? Like Deepsika want to know, understand something. Yeah. Your voice is not coming. Not able, not audible. Your yeah. Sound is not coming. Okay. So, yeah, Shruti, what was your learning out of these classes?
I learned a lot. So you used to give in the classes. You used to give the characters, and me and Ananya used to frame the story on the spot. So I learned storytelling and framing anything in the spot, and I was scared of public when I didn't attend these classes, but now I don't think I am. I can speak confidently, and yeah, I
Okay. Yeah.
I became more creative.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, Ananya, you can also share. What was your learning till date?
Sir, as Shruti said, I learned storytelling. I am I'm trying to elaborate a topic, and I'm improving my communication skills, and I have no confidence before, but I'm improving my confidence after attending these classes, and I'm improving my communication skills too.
Okay, great, good going. So what do you feel, guys? What are the things which you should learn for your future? So let's have a small group discussion. Yeah. So who is going to lead? Aravir is there. Aravir, why are you switching off your camera, man, every time? So you're proving that you're a introvert. Yeah. Why are you switching off your camera? So what is your future requirements, and what are you worried about your future? Do you want to learn some skills for future? If that, then what are those things? Can you help us to understand?
Yes, sir. If I I want to if I want to become a cricketer or something and if I play well in a match and I become the man of the match, they would ask me to say something about that. How did you like that match, and what all things you like the most about that match? So for that also we have to gain communication skills so that we can talk to a large amount of people in the stadium.
Right. Great, man. It reminded me that Deepsika is a starting point. Since beginning, she was knowing to get into the MBA. So since beginning, Aravir is knowing that he is going to be the man of the match. Yeah, Shreyas, tell me, what are the other skills which you want to learn? Like Aravir has said something, Do you have any other point that what exactly you want to learn and what exactly you want to become?
So I want to become a scientist. So like we need, so for like for explaining also we need to talk, and we have to having creative thinking.
Okay. Okay. That's really
So
great.
that's it.
That's it. Okay. 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 Yeah, Mridul, what is your expectation from you? What do you want to become? Mridul, are you able to hear? No?
No.
Okay. 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 Yeah, Ananya, what is your expectation for future?
Sir, just today morning 9 o'clock I changed my goal, sir,
Oh, what is new goal? Tell me.
to become a chartered accountant, sir.
Okay. Till yesterday you wanted to become a teacher. Huh? Today you want to become a chartered accountant. Why?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Why?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know.
Suddenly my mind started thinking, sir,
No. What?
should I become a teacher or a scientist or a doctor?
Mhm. Okay. And what about you, Shruti?
But
Yeah.
why
Yeah.
I choose?
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, Ananya.
But why I want to choose chartered accountant, because my parents are chartered accountant and even my grandfather. So I go in that way, sir.
Okay. So you want to go for a traditional job.
Sir, but I also like that job, sir.
Okay. What kind of job?
Chartered accountant, sir.
Okay. 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 Great. Okay, good. So, yeah, Shruti, do you have the same goal, or you have also changed your goal? Shruti is having a big vision. She want to become an engineer. She want to go California. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
So, like Ananya said, our expectations change, but for now, I want to become a software engineer because I'm interested in maths, and I want to develop AI products in future to make life simpler.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
I just want to ask Shruti, how old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Yeah. That's really great. Yeah, Swati, do you have to say anything?
Yes, sir. First of all, good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
So the thing which I have been noticing since then is like these small kids, they are not even 15, 16, and nearly those two students which I heard just now, they are so finely established in their goals. Like they know why why they want to do the things.
Within 1 minute, this no Zoom will disconnect, so you have to reconnect again. Don't worry about that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Continue.
Okay. Yeah, so I was saying that they are so evidently known about the things that they want to do. Like Shruti told that she wants to become a software engineer, and she knows that she wants to deal with AI things and everything, and that is why she wants to do that. Like Ananya has a reason behind it. So they are so focused and they know everything. So these kind of students are the ones that want to enhance themselves. They are already quite talented, according to me. They're quite talented. They just want to enhance themselves, and that is what they're doing, I guess.
Yes.
Right, Shruti?
Okay.
Yes. So
Okay.
that is the thing. They're so known.
Yeah. Anju, do you want to say something?